evening.
Hello, good evening. Welcome to Clappingo. Hi, Shaheen.
You.
How are
How are
you?
you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Me too. Thank you for asking.
So it's holiday time for you. Is it short vacation? Did you have school
No,
today?
we have holiday only tomorrow on the Sera.
Oh, only
Monday.
tomorrow you've got. Okay. So what is special there around you in your locality?
Uh, People organize some functions, but due to restrictions, this year it has been cancelled. I think
Oh,
since for last 3 years.
okay. And schools are going to open soon. That's what I heard everywhere.
Yeah, fifth to 12th grade, it has been
Yeah,
opened. First to fourth
schools have
and
reopened.
pre-primary are still remain.
Yeah. Yeah, it's actually very risky. At the same time, it is important also.
Yes,
God knows what is going to happen. Children should be very careful.
yes.
Even teachers, like responsibilities increase, right?
Yeah, everybody's responsibility is increased.
Yes,
Parents, teachers, and students
yes,
themselves.
teachers.
Many times they what they do when they wear mask, they'll remove it or they'll.
Yeah, very much. They cannot keep it for a very long time. And how will you maintain social distancing and all that in a classroom? It is not very easy.
Yes.
It can be done, but it's not very easy. Yeah. Okay, so any doubts, any clarification before I begin?
No, everything is clear. I went through
Your session?
session recording and I note down mistakes I had made. But
Okay.
I haven't completed my homework. Tomorrow I have holiday, so I'll do it.
Like a small child, you're telling me homework. Activity, let's call it activity. Follow up activity.
Yes.
Okay. So today's topic is interesting. Talk with animals or speak all foreign languages. Which one would you prefer? Would you like to talk with the animals or speak all foreign languages?
Talk with animal is much better instead of speaking all foreign languages.
That's interesting. Okay, so we have got two idioms. The first one is speak your mind. Speak your mind. It's like open up, speak out what you feel.
Talk to yourself.
Have you told this to anybody? Talk to yourself and also talk to the others. Whatever you feel, you should express. You shouldn't be
Okay.
like some people, they keep grudge, they keep things in their mind and they create a lot of confusion. The other one is speak the same language. If I tell, okay, we speak the same language, it is not just English, but we have the same wavelength. We
Yes.
think alike or we speak alike. The thinking part is same. That is speak the same language. And the other one is speak your mind. Okay.
Okay.
So have you come across any of your friends who speak the same language as you, to put it in the idiomatic way, where they have the same wavelength?
Yes. I thought that it's really made me think because many times people try to come close to me. They want to talk to me. They want to be my friend, but that's something I missed, and I cannot continue with them. And
Okay.
I make excuses that no, I don't have time or kind of things. And few people we didn't plan that we will come close, but we came close and
Yeah.
we share very good bond.
Okay.
So I think
Yeah.
we speak.
You're on mute. Okay. Yeah. Please continue. Please continue.
There was a call, so my
Okay. See,
it
you
was.
started talking about connection and bond, and you got a call.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Go on. Please go on.
So we have a very good bond, and sometimes I feel that mm, few things are natural or inbuilt, that we cannot pretend to
Yes.
be nice or pretend to be kind or what can I say, soft spoken person. We few friends, we are outspoken. If we don't like something, we tell on face each other. We don't hide things. So I think
Yes.
it's natural.
Some are rude, but they're very good at heart. Some
Yeah,
behave in a very rude way, but they're very good at heart. When you have a problem, they are the first ones to come and help you.
many
Some of the
times
friends are
we
like that.
fight with each
And
other, we say so many things to each other, and then
yes,
again we come close.
you get closer. It happens with everybody actually. Okay.
Yes.
Do you have friends who text you once in a while, but they're very close to you? Or do you have friends who text you every day, but not very close?
Yes, of course, I have that kind of friends.
Both the kinds.
Mm, I think we talk rare, maybe once in a month or once in a 2 or 3 months also. But we share very personal things with each other, and
Yeah.
I think we have that trust because we know that we will not share those things with other people.
Yes, yes, very
So
much.
yeah, and a
Trust
few
is
people,
important.
they are regular in touch with me, but I can't share them personal things because I knew that they'll viral all the things.
They'll make it viral, huh? They'll make it viral.
Viral.
Okay. So you said share them. It's actually share with them. Okay.
Share with them. Okay.
I know I cannot share anything with them because they'll make it viral. Okay. That's a very good usage. Viral. Okay. Now coming to speaking with animals. Have you ever tried speaking with any animal in your life and you got a response?
Honestly, I haven't tried, but I think animals are really good friends of human being,
Yeah.
comparatively human to human.
Yes, they understand our emotion, especially dog and many animals understand our emotion. Maybe we will not be able to understand
I've
them.
seen one video. One person, he went to milk the cow, and he sat far away. That cow
Okay.
came to him, and she stood on that exact spot. That person had that pot, and she stood on that pot. So
Okay, okay. So that he'll be able to milk her. Okay, okay.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And then again, dogs. Suppose person came um, home from office or work,
Yeah.
maybe he's tired or he's not in very
Good
good,
move.
and
Yes, yes. They will
he
sense
cannot
it.
he cannot expect that family members will understand, or they will handle situation that yeah, he's not in a good mood, and let him
Mm.
let him do whatever he wants. But pets, they come close, they pamper, means they show like they were waiting them eagerly.
They wait for them eagerly. Yes, yes.
They
They
wait
wait for them
for them
eagerly.
eagerly.
Yeah, yeah.
I think
Correct.
I tried to use gerund form. They waiting. They were
They
waiting.
waiting. No, they're waiting. You can say Their. They're waiting is very what to say, affectionate. They're
Affectionate.
waiting for the owner to come back is very affectionate. But why do you have to take it that way? You can say they wait for their owner to come back and they can sense the emotion, the mood.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll go through all these words. Today one word is there. Let me see.
Grunt.
Grunt is a kind of noise made by the animal.
Animal.
Horse, wild animals, even sometimes dogs will grunt.
Yes.
Then
Talent.
talent. So, do you think it's a talent to communicate with the animals? Some people they can very well do it. They communicate with birds also.
Yes, yes. People, I've seen few people, they talk to their parrots and other animals as well. Come here, go there, do this, say like
They
this,
train
and
them.
same. Dogs as well. If owner asks them to bring something, they'll bring it. Go back and sit there. Then they do the same.
Yes, very much. Okay. So, other words are we have got words like this:
Discuss,
discuss and
express.
what is the difference? Expressing and discussing. Discuss, express.
I think discuss is we are discussing. If suppose we have some topic and we are discussing, we are sharing our thoughts about it, and express. I have something in my mind or my feeling, and I'm trying to tell you. So I think it's express.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Excellent. Well said. Okay. Then
DIVERS. Diverse.
diverse. Diverse. India is a country of diversity, unity in diversity. Okay. And what else? Next is
Articulate.
articulate, the meaning. Communicate.
Clarity.
Articulate is actually, it involves so many things. It is a combo of communication, speaking clearly, able to express, able to discuss. Everything together is articulate. So articulate well. When you speak English, the tone, the pitch, the way you speak, everything is articulation.
Yes.
Okay, articulating the words, articulating the thought, everything is important. Okay, that's it. That's it with the words. So now we'll do an activity. Are you ready for that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I've got these words and let me try to connect it with animal. Okay, you have to do that. Connect it with animal. When I show you the word, you have to connect it with the animal and tell me something. That is the activity. Okay, the first word is
Hunger.
yes. Connect it with any animal and tell me whatever comes to your mind.
Few kids were trying to play with lion, and they asked him not
Lion,
to lion, and
lion.
ask they asked it not to eat them, but he said, "What to do with my hunger?"
I thought you will tell me a few kids were playing with the lion and they gave him some biscuits and they ran away. But you made a story within no time, one line story. That was fantastic. Very good. Okay.
It's lion or
It's
lion.
actually lion. Loin is something else. It is your this part of the body, the lower part of your body. That is loin.
Few
Loin
words
cloth
I
also.
few words I speak this way because I'm a student of Marathi medium and my teachers taught me this way. I've learned words, but unconsciously sometimes
It
I
happens. It
speak.
happens. All of us have got that problem. Even I learned a few words wrong from my childhood. These days, I'm correcting it. Some of the words, I'm like, oh, I'm pronouncing it wrong. For
Okay.
example, words like this, academy, academic.
Yes,
I
I've
used to
seen
say
the video.
academic. Yeah, yeah. It is my learning. So I was like, oh my God, it's not academic. And all these years I was telling academic, which is wrong. I felt so bad. This academic and academy. And we
Okay.
use these words. As a language trainer, we use these words. So that is why I learned something. So immediately I should share it with my learners.
Yes, it's a nice thing.
Okay, the next one. Yeah,
New.
yeah.
Are you going to buy something new for you on the Sera?
Animal.
Yeah, sorry. Uh,
Okay.
mm, I asked my brother to give me a new puppy on my birthday. On
Okay. Buy me a new puppy on my birthday.
yes, challenge. I think cat is a very challenging animal to handle because
Why do you say so?
we many times we had argument with our neighbors due to cat. She come
Okay.
and she do something means uh, she will what can I say, she take all garbage from our dustbin and she sprayed in our home.
What a cat. She comes to your the what to say, your locality, your
Yes,
surrounding, and she will litter the place.
yes.
Oh, okay. What a cat.
Face. Face, this face or the things we face.
You can take it in any way. Both are correct, but you have to connect it with the animal. Anything, any way you can connect.
Mostly face of animals are very innocent, but all animals are not innocent. Sometimes they are harmful.
Okay,
So
okay,
it's challenging. It's challenging to face them.
good, very good. You used both the faces.
Noun and verb.
Yeah.
Fear. I fear the dog when they start barking.
Okay. I fear the dog. Actually, I'm scared of dog, or I get afraid. Um,
Or I have a fear.
I have a fear, especially when the dogs bark. I develop a kind of fear when the dogs bark at me on the face.
Okay.
Yeah,
Smart.
smart.
My friend's dog is very smart. Whenever she asks him to do something, he do happily.
Something.
It does
He'll do it
happily.
half. Okay, very good.
Games. Animal like to play games like throwing and catching balls, throwing and
Yes.
catching sticks.
Chasing also, sometimes they chase people. That is
Yes,
also like a game for some animals. Yeah.
home. Parrot, cat, dogs are animals. We can keep them with us at our home.
Okay.
Strong. Mm, elephant is the strongest animal on the planet. I think so.
Okay. I don't think it is the strongest, but yeah, let's take it that way. I think it is one of the strongest animals. Yeah, with a good lifespan. The last word,
Special.
special.
Pets are special for their owners.
Pets are special for their owners. Very good. You did the activity really very well. Okay.
Thank
So when I'm asking you questions, in between you made a few mistakes, like with the grammar and the usage is also same thing. But there is a progress. I will not say that there is no progress, but still you need to work. Maybe
Yes,
because now you have got holidays, right? You can read, you can listen to something extra, research, and
yes.
try to put some time, invest some time in learning deep. Because now the surface level, it is fine. Now
Okay.
you need to go deep so that you don't make such mistakes. Because when you're speaking, you know I made a mistake or this is not correct, that is correct. That you know now. Okay, now I'll
Yes.
ask you some random questions, okay, quickly. It is going to be situational. I'll tell you what is to be done.
Okay.
Okay. The first word.
Color.
Okay. So your sister, do you have a sister?
Yes.
Okay. So it's not I'm not talking about that sister. Don't take it personally. I'm just telling one situation I'm making. Sister got a red kurta for your birthday. Okay. It was covered in a violet gift wrapping paper. And you opened the gift and it was so nice, but you didn't like that shade of red color. It was so bright. And somehow you tried it on and you felt that it did not suit you because every red will not suit everybody, everyone.
Yes.
How will you respond or react to this situation?
I'll ask her to change it. I don't like that color.
See, she got it with so much of love. And you will directly tell her, I don't like it, please go
Yes.
and change.
Yes.
Okay, very simple. Okay,
Bringing.
bringing. Okay, one of your students' parents, okay, they got some gifts for you. You were sitting in your office and one of the parents brought some gifts for you, not chocolates. It's something very expensive like perfume, sari, all those things. How will you react or respond? Don't tell me I will take it happily, go home and wear and be happy. How will you respond or react?
Honestly, I ask people not to give gifts first thing, because when we accept someone's gift, that person expects somewhere return gift as well.
Yeah.
Or if they are not expecting, it's our duty. And I'm someone who always forgets.
Okay. 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 Fine.
I gift my friends, very few friends. I remember their birthday and their anniversary, and I send them gift, or I meet them personally. But for other parents and kind of things, it's really
I
difficult
know.
for me.
I understand. Yeah. Yeah.
Reduce.
What is that one thing that you would like to reduce in your, from your hobbies, from your personal space, or from your character? Something that you feel, okay, I should reduce.
I want to reduce mistakes I'm making in while speaking in
I
English.
thought so.
First
I thought
thing.
you were going to tell that.
And one more thing, I want to reduce my laziness.
Laziness. Yeah, you told me that earlier. Are you that lazy? Seriously?
When it comes to work, I'm like, I don't stop
Workaholic.
until unless I finish it. But
Okay.
once I finish, it take me time to start another one. I
Okay.
keep it postponing, but
You
once I
keep
start, I
postponing it.
finish it.
You keep postponing it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I keep
Okay.
postponing it
Got it.
later.
If you get a chance to write a letter now, to whom will you write a letter?
In this technologies era, we don't write, but
You're forced to write. So, to whom will you write?
mm, my grandfather, who is no more, I'll send that to heaven
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's good. The next one is,
later.
you said you keep postponing things, you keep it for later.
Yes.
Okay. So, have you really felt bad for keeping something for a later time, for a later purpose? You postpone, you keep postponing, and then you regret. Have you ever faced this
Yes,
situation?
yes. I regret a lot recently what I did. I have a student of 10th standard and some official processes were there. So I was not feeling like going to my district and to another one place. I think for 200 kilometers, it's 200 kilometers mm,
Away
away
from
from
the
my
school.
place.
Okay.
So I kept it postponing, but now I have sorry, I'm doing that work very fast, but some official hurdles are coming. Education officer is not there. Some
Oh, okay,
other
okay.
person got
Now it's
additional
urgent.
charge. And also, I thought that once I'll start, I'll finish it in 1 month. It's been more than 15 to 20 days, but I haven't finished it. So right now I'm regretting why I haven't started it early.
Yes. Okay.
That broad process and all.
Yeah, I know. The formalities, the
Yes.
paperwork, everything. Yeah.
Caller.
Have you caught anybody by the collar? Were you forced to catch anybody by the
Yes.
collar?
Once I had done it. When I
Okay.
was a teenager, not teenager, I think I was 20 to 21 year old.
Okay.
And somebody told me something and I caught,
Him
I
by the
slapped
collar. Him or her by the collar. Okay. Okay. Fine.
people.
People. Tell me something about the people around you.
I have people around me, all mixed kind of people are around me. Some people are positive, some are negative, some are neutral, but I'm learning from them. Not only positive, negative things as well. Uh, Suppose I tell somebody to do something, uh, uh, for example, my staff, and they do it only for the sake of doing it. They don't do it by heart. Sometimes one or two people are like that. So I just analyze myself or examine myself why I am on that place and why they are on that place. Dedication, hard
Why
work,
I am in this place and why they are in that place.
why I am in this place and why they are on that
Yeah.
place.
In that
So
place, not
in
on.
that
On
place,
is this. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, in that place. So I think it's problem of mindset first thing,
Yes.
and how desperate you are,
Desperate.
to, yeah,
Desperate. Yeah.
desperate to learn few things. So yeah, I'm learning positive things as well and negative things as well. So I think I have surrounded myself more virtual people, I think,
With virtual people.
with
Okay.
virtual people instead of practical.
Okay. 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 Get that. Okay.
Action.
Action. Do you believe in action or words?
Action, obviously.
So have you come across, if you come across a person who does this yapping, blah, 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 but no action, how will you deal with such a person?
One of my friends, she always do something and end up
Okay.
doing nothing. Again, she will do something else and end up doing nothing. So I always scold at her. I always shout at her, do something and stick at that. We started YouTube
Stick
channel.
to that.
She
Okay.
uploaded, I think, 1 or 2 videos, and it's my 140 videos I have completed.
Seriously, 140 videos.
Yes.
I don't know how you do it. I'm such a lazy person.
No, I'm doing it for 1 year. Last September, I
You've
have
been doing it
started
for the
my
last.
channel.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
When I got tired and I lied in the bed, I do means
Okay.
I do both the things. Means I'm taking rest and I'm editing my videos as well.
Okay, okay. So when I get tired, I do this. I
Yes,
lie on my bed and I do it. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So few grammatical errors were there. I think you just have to focus and you will get it correct.
yes,
I think you're able to make it out, right? When you're making a mistake, that
yes.
something is wrong.
Nowadays
Something
I'm writing it down and just I'm glancing it, not
glancing
studying, but
glancing
just
through it.
glance.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Your vocabulary is very good, but sometimes the prepositions that you use with it goes wrong.
Okay.
Sometimes. So you can go through today's session and write down a few points. Like I made a mistake here, I made a mistake there, and do a little bit of research on it
Yeah.
and
Sure.
start working. That's how we develop.
Sure.
Okay. So I think we have come to the end of today's session. Just one more minute. Any
Yes.
questions?
No, I don't have question. As usual, I don't have
Okay.
question.
Okay. So you can go back to the session. That is today's task. And you can
Yes.
bring the homework, the follow-up activity for the next
Yes.
class.
Yes.
Okay. Whenever you
Yes.
meet me. I think on Saturday
Uh,
or some Saturday.
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 Yeah. So
Yes.
you can bring the follow-up activity and you can also go through the session. I'll just write it down what you
Okay.
have to do. Okay. So have a nice weekend, festival season. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Happy Dasera to you
Happy Dasara
in
to you as
advance.
well. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Thank you.